Yasa by Damina Masamaji Bresabri. Now, Moshe Bedroom on Adom TV, multi TV. So, Brass Associate Komo, but make out say, Consul for Argentine Bear 1760 L text message line 1760 L text message line for Brain in Komo. Era George Atabuatin at CNA. You ever congratulate say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Amana Basobodie, Sunko, the Juma Swani, Bibia da Dentia and Mikasa do offer a Mebuna, one in Yaquenya or a man your same one 80 may distinguish you when they say a Kosovo Mabaso, if say an edge marketua, say Ubunyasa, and Nisono, Edika free Yamiho, na fe Afaman Peniso, na Ebiaba Soso. Era Atabatin Aquaba. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bibia Kama. Maybe I do a question. No? Yanti wasem ye but ye jeri so me ati wasem oni dia oh yeah acting CEO ma acting coordinator ma computer placement ho nsensem ye kasa pe no say be di school ho nkomo ufi JHS eco SHS sa akwantuo no emu ensem enkomo ana ye be di mbaka na no da be di nkomo ha bra no mo kire se ye bo 1060 be near say ampa susu ampa school say fine and no na edi hu na ebusa say so hwe ekotwere no ehun nsem abetodwa na ehun nsem abetodwa dey na computer placement for akase on be na breben ana ehun susu so be ko schools amehun say asoma simi of away wanya okọ we of away wanya we of away wakọ ma emu akọ ababie community schools this time amukam ho
amukam
Did you pass any sorry no?
I feel so last year na last week na why the Honson Swansone by na I feel placement no you have 438,000 students.
438,000
students. I'm say 32 big so. I almost three I feel in so and I won't say you almost almost your mom recity omo ebi owie school dada unse bees in anke ya mawun train bi mte say wasi na SSC no na we ndie omo really ye ni nyina last year aban ma ho akonya say wa wie school de emfa ho ne mretintin ya wie so pepa no so person to school so secondary school ultimate no 1100 students
across
board the whole country nti omo no so ye de omaka ho ansana obu ho a we school be and fear me and sign from an assem fear me and I even last year. Aya Bibinti went to me uncle school. Omonania from re-entry students. Obu ha nebi ayare and answer a quantu went to me uncle school. Inti omono so ya duamoka home. And na yenu anoma mo amanonenswa aya na omopese omoma eba school secondary school ha. Omono so from foreign students. Ya duamoka home. Nti afi no oka reset no re-entry no any foreign any regular students ni nyina aboma na kire say ye almost 442,000 students afi omoba be prekwan akọ secondary school.
Am I ready?
Na ye de nhihye mu de bibia awie peye na de ya ewie last week ye omo a ebia bema no akofa oba school ana oba no akofa bema school ana so obi kra akofa course bia e school mu ayenye no ehonom omu nyina yesiesie last week ni we na de ba kokora esen ho ye ne say because most of the school na pempi ni padodo na ata ape no na unso ohwe ye booklet ma e option 3 intina binum fi say e option 3 dia na kese no ya o third choice
option 3 no?
Instead of to say be a school bit to say St James Quran unse no option 3 and St Augustine's and Wesley Girls ya obi apeso koi no third choice nti bia no person de na first choice but when you say option 3 nti na kese chinchina the third choice last year BC nti bi wo ha no the school bit say Adom senior high I the first choice na or the Wesley Girls I the third choice enti ukoye na emam say na ba no wosoro pa nti no Adom senior high the first choice na ho no be instead of you know enti ya na registration me fan say ho funso kakra etaba
but I na cheche for na for education service in Penfo no enya kwanya timi disa nkomo we nyina ansana
ye ni nyina even waye kokra
mujim
ye de ho jim waye pa ne de ani mo mo ye ni nyina nanso den ya mfonso de se oni pa nti omo na se ya hwe last year bisi na ne no so badafi no omo do so about 150,000 na ye na se ya mopping up ya wie a che se ye yi bibi akwa mu na waye ke the resource ne base ya ma me nchire we waye ke the resource ne base ya ye yemfa grace no se mpempi meka no yemfa grace na ye adwuma ye de ye fra no raw score dia abofan twa ye na nkasa no eno na ye de ye enti ana waye ke so hia time kakra omonde boboboa sa ma enyina ho enti sesi a me no kasai omonfa sa ma ne mre ye ne ye adwuma
resource na ba schools no
resource no de
kwada ne saka
obia printing de
ese ko printing
waye ke mra no print resource but ye no na ye hia ye de mana nkasa no de otwa ye no
raw score na ye de no
raw score no ye say English language utwa asen 80 ye no ye hia enye se unya grade 1 wo English there bi
obi no bi nya 85
obi nya 85
ba wanya 1
wo nya 80 wo so wanya 1
85 ni e consider no enti mo hwe raw
no ye yemfa grade no
mimi ya ofo na mba me benya 111 insia ezu wanya school
obi ma me musa question bi to say yemfa school bi to say St James na St James be nipa afi nipa be 1800 person mo ko school mo St James bet me afa 200 pe na 200 no na mu be
emu amia pa
o na mu be 1000 anya aggregate 6 a ebe de o mayi 800 200 na free
okay ti enko he raw scores no he English 89 80 75
ye ka bomu a ye dan ya na
difference
bebem ntu betimi anya nipa bi anum na mo raw score nipa 50 na mo raw score ye ba ko
ba omu nyina anya ge 6
omu nyina anya ge 6 so wo nti differences bebre wo ubetimi anya obi so a okuta agege 7 a ne mark kura so ten obi o wa agege 6
wow
nti yemfa grace ne nya adwuma na ma me nkyerɛ policy we because ɛho hia pa na ma policy ne kyerɛ sɛ nhyehyɛ ne kyerɛ sɛ candidate no ɛbɛtwerɛ nsɔhwɛ no maako nkron 9 subjects subjects no ɔbɛtwerɛ 9 na 9 no yɛfa mu nsia no 4 deɛ candidate biara deɛ ɛbɛfa English, Maths, Science, Social Studies.
Ne core.
Ya ne core. Ye fa obia de num na aka na ye fa ne electives. Ni ahwem de obo no ho modern pa mienu ewo mu no. Enum no ne de akoka 4 no ho na akwa ye 6. Enti 5 no betimi aye ebia RME. Ana se BDT, ana ICT, French, ana Ghanaian language, twi ana se Ghana se ye fa de oya de pa mu mienu ne de akoka sa 4 na ye nsia. Ni aka ni nyina bom. Nti English no nya asen, Maths no nya asen, Science, Social Studies no nya asen. Ya san ko family no dia beka ho na ye nsia. Nti se wo ka se wo de wo twa 100 a mark kese pe wo mu no ye 600. Na che se wo de wanya che se A++. Sanity. Nti se bia se nipa emienu kwa akopɛ kwan wo school bi te se brekum senior. No mbetimi afa nipa ba ko a. De ne mark so no ene be dey ye be fa
nti raw score no fa so no
raw score no fa so no because say ye use great na untimi hu ni a se fata soko enti ti say dey kan say 1800 na person mo ko St James na mu 1000 nya agge 6 no no so betimi afa 200 a be dey watimi sa agge 6 for nothing ntimi but raw score no dey ye dan ya na mark no ebi so chen bi
I see
enti emu da ho project
0302211701 up to 4 if you are now Asem Kesee bi ase a ye ka say dey awofo na wo hwe obi so a gosohwe no aba wako ye computer so akobobo watwe krata na ba bibi e kire wadwe ampacho bisa ye Asha good morning report saying
good morning my name wapo mu chise ni o wan
na Adom boko yeti o ene wanya dum
na salwa school koti minia ati mina mi de woman bi ba betuma o se ne ba ni chusu ye na ni school di na up to date obi eko the balance of passes will nyanya school amai nti maybe that no na ma wa pass ya working school onu nya hu ni school kwan no mesere Mr. George Atabo atembe kum di share on chechum na ma no semi kesu ti wa antia no kwan obefa so de ne ha on kodanda George Akodoma Central o ma hene mechia no that's it
o me anti wa 7 na see good morning apom to say unfortunately I said good morning apom to say hello I said good morning apom to say
good morning amai nyamina dum ya hoye pa ya wone o director moto na ma meche Peter ya kwatiaka ma assistant to this no platforms the brand side stress wasafo nyina amwano na papa nkomra na o meboa ye na ye pan ya afen tija kama so pan ne abukon ye na person bisa director the bia ya na Peter god the do posting time now which me ko check results no me say bia when your school we posting no e bia on your school so me be 2 weeks and 1 week now be con na asasa ma hu bisa no every day na man basa.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Nana Branche, good morning. I pom to say Nana. Hello, Nana. Good morning. I pom to say.
Boko man. You better pass it, Papa. You must papa opo. E dey boy. Go school hu nsensem no. Wa man no ma ekoyi pa maye. Omunye hyensi amaye na Ghana man yi mu no. Amanfo aminje. Inu enu mutumi ko school yi bi. No ma munye mere maye. Mama, mama. That's it.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Good morning. I pom to say. Unfortunately, yeah, no quick ones. Okay, bye. Good morning.
Good morning, Amai, ma. Maybe Chamo, Madame Farmer, Busa for Senegal, Blue East, and Amicia, Itapashaka. Amai, the other person you say, me brother George beat me up confirm said this time, you know. Obia or ye meal pinch me and say be or coffee me at school. Get that says I last us more. It to me it a lot of problem here. If you bet back and moreover so me feel said teachers in the various areas of school no more expression. I think even this thing no more so that people fuck when be so APS can answer no more remo. The check and balances. It said, or much me head the school, so much me who you may bet me up one and you met me up with him.
Okay.
Yeah, I had a chance to go. There's somebody in the film, no chance to go.
Yeah, that's it. Karim, final caller. Good morning. I apologize, saying Karim. Wow, I really will feel how to pay. Karim, my chair. Unfortunately, the banner man requirement to be the question. Boss, what's your question? Hello, Karim.
Hello.
Mr. Catcher.
Hello, my name.
Catcher audition is a na man koko bi no man pay.
Oh, my name is saying.
Mr. Catcher kwada man koko no man pay.
Because I mean, bisa atabu ati me chia o my name me chia.
Jira ho ansa. Karim jira ho ansa. Karim jira ho ansa. O say wan hwe na waso ba echi. Man koko bi no man sa na wakasa. Why?
O my name ma shano awie na mente me o kasa mente. Eluntia. Let me down ma say ni juma pa mo ye.
Okay.
Ye di kan no metia me MP jamba for na metia me MC ya o ma yi na free mo. Se nya me ma na abutre se tembia beba na ade kuna tembia ya na resource no e mantem enen me how. Na media last term media na ko me koye no steady o musi cheke se ana e fa wa nya school a otoso a o ko school se so nya me aboa na ma o ko animo. Na ya na emrante men na ya ehia me oni nyame ni adwuma
da se etimi fo bia bia George Kesee
mse de no kase placement ne bi mo ko school no ye nye placement kra se se de na make no ye twen se wa ye kede e man bebre nti kwata by next week de na ye release placement no but se see ade ye ma obi school obi obekase wanya school bia no kra bia ni whatsoever. And you know, the last person who has delays, but once by this time they think he release in resource. Now delay nearby as a result of the cancellation of some subjects examination. Once you can be no, and you know, say my WAEC postpone examination days niko, and na sa delay na bamu. And minim say by next week there. na kyerɛ sɛ yɛayɛ ama na afiri hɔ no.
Okay.
Nti next week na ɛba a ɛbɛtie to what no kasa forms bi no. Mpɛn pii no yɛyɛ na yɛdi kan ma obiara text to a short code 1060 na wahu baabi a onyaeɛ. Ansa na ebia na wɔtwe akyi no.
Sɛ schools are fine, the medical aye ho.
See and the text ya be schools are fine. Na emom no school a benya no every next weekend e kɔ no obetimi a text.
Okay.
O text ya be hu sɛ bia minya school we A and school B na get say ho na abɛkɔ. Na wɔtwe akyi no wa print wa admission letter no on the internet.
Okay.
Na get say all the school na ye do komu no. Na dey akɔkyerɛ headmaster na headmistress or.
Okay. Obaka bi man because edu sabre awofo ne ha nkwada so ha.
I say meaning say pressure ba. Edu sabre adnakura wintimi na bi. Na mum no mesre say ombenya abotre. Abotoye mu na ye adwuma. Nse edu sabre wa ye adwuma 24 hours. Because I am person.
Me no Ghana fo
omuhu but I am person ombe kwati ti ye adwuma mom. Say de be ya omuhu beto omuma ne school. Nya dan by next weekend there na you release placement no.
Okay.
No be hu ba bia na beko.
Okay.
Na fe no ma start atoto mo.
George Ataboatin, acting coordinator, computer placement. Sanya Basobode, chief executive officer. Ejumekundi say
National Information
Technology Agency. Mr. Uko office pe brana be chechire mu. Ejumedi port ya mudi wo. Na Ghana fo. Ye da se ne mo so ejuma pa mo ye de boa eye man Ghana. Ye twa ye wan ba wale ene waje artificial kotoko the best. Chelsea there only omo to nkwanto omo pai na afi the ultimate Bayern Munich so there obia ne ni adanse Heart of Lions and also be kwakoye Adom no support Randy na the crack no ahwe se obetimi Moses Parker ato nse didi echina e Jamaica Wallace Aykrado Oba